You know that feeling when payday comes and then somehow your money just disappears? It's reality for many people, but with just a few small changes, you can take control of every paycheck and make sure your money is working for you and not against you. And today, I'm going to walk you through a simple 4-step payday routine that anyone can use to build stronger habits and a stronger financial future. I am so happy to have you here with me today. Let's get started. Now, before you can manage your money properly, you need to understand what's actually coming in. Your gross pay is the total amount that you've earned. But after taxes and deductions such as retirement contributions and health insurance premiums are taken out, you're going to be left with your net pay. Now, this is the amount that actually hits your bank account. Now, you want to always take a moment to verify your deposit. Compare what you've received to what you expected. Look for changes like a bonus, a raise, a new deduction, or even an unexpected fee. Now, if something doesn't look right, don't wait. Reach out to your HR department or payroll to get it cleared up. Now, as soon as your paycheck clears, make sure to move a portion of it toward your financial goals. Transfer money into a high-yield savings account, your emergency fund, or an investment account as examples. Now, even if you've automated some of your savings, manually moving money on payday reinforces this habit and keeps you connected to your goals. Paying yourself first means making sure you prioritize savings and investments before any other spending. Now, this could include contributions that you're already making and that you're making automatically through pre-tax deductions, such as your 401k or HSA, as well as post-tax savings you can set aside manually. Now, whether you're saving for retirement, building a safety net, or investing for growth, taking action right away ensures that you stay on track. Now, if you're not sure where to start, the 50-30-20 rule, which we've covered previously, would suggest setting aside 20% of your take-home pay. But setting aside even 10% can make a huge difference over time. Next, I want you to confirm any scheduled payments or make manual payments for your bills if needed. Paying your bills right after payday ensures that you're never late. And this is going to protect your credit score, avoid costly late fees, and prevent service interruptions. Even one missed payment can drop your credit score by 50 to 100 points, and late fees can add up really quickly. Now, handling this early removes stress, and it frees up the rest of your month to focus on more important things. Now, if you happen to have multiple paychecks each month, it can also help to assign certain bills to specific pay periods. For example, you might cover rent, utilities, and insurance with your first paycheck, and groceries, transportation, and other essential bills with your second. Now, aligning your bill payments with your paycheck schedule makes budgeting a lot easier and reduces the chance of accidentally overspending early in the month. Now, after savings and bills are handled, decide how much you want to allow yourself for the things that bring you joy, like dining out, hobbies, travel, or just treating yourself to something fun. Now, without setting a limit, it's easy to overspend without realizing it, putting your savings goals and your bill payments at risk. But giving yourself permission to enjoy part of your paycheck helps you to stay motivated and balanced. After all, we work to live, not live to work. And being intentional about enjoying the fruits of your labor means that you can save your life today while still building security for tomorrow. And that's going to do it for today's video. Now, building a payday routine isn't about being perfect. It's about creating consistency so that your financial future gets stronger with every paycheck. Now, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so that you don't miss out on the next one. And while you're doing that, why don't you share this content with anyone else who might find it helpful? I want to thank you so much for watching. And as always, I encourage you to dream big, to live well, and to do great things. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.